Good evening and welcome back to Smart Investment Long Video. Today we are sharing a detailed insights on one of the Fortune 500 company, that is Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited is one of the Fortune 500 company and India's largest private sector corporation. It has diversified business portfolio spanning across new energy and material, retail, digital services, petrochemicals, oil and gas exploration, and media and entertainment. Below are the financials of the company. CMP rupees 1200, 52-week high rupees 1609, 52-week low rupees 1193. Market cap rupees 1624,020 crore. P ratio 23.5. EPS rupees 51.1. EB ratio 1.98. Dividend yield 0.42%. Debt to equity ratio 0.44. Return on equity 9.25. Sales revenue rupees 939,838 crore. Quarterly performances of financial year 25. Revenue rupees 267,186 crore, which is 7.7% year-over-year growth. EBITDA rupees 48,003 crore, which is 7.8% year-over-year growth. PAT rupees 21,930 crore, which is 11.7% year-over-year growth. Moving forward, now let's see segment-wise performances. The first is digital services. Revenue rupees 38,750 crore, which is 19.2% year-over-year growth. Subscribers growth 2.4% year-over-year. ARPU growth 11.9% year-over-year growth. PAT rupees 6857 crore, which is 25.9% year-over-year growth. 5G adoption, 170 million subscribers migrated to Jio True 5G. The second segment is the retail segment. Revenue rupees 90333 crore, which is 8.8% year-over-year growth. PAT rupees 3485 crore, which is 10.1% year-over-year growth. Store expansion, 779 new stores added. Express deliveries pilot across 4,000 plus pin codes. The third segment is oil to chemical segment. Revenue rupees 149,595 crore, which is 6% year-over-year growth. Diesel sales growth 23%. Gasoline sales growth 44%. Polymer demand growth 11%. Moving forward, now let's take a look on business side segment overview. The first segment is new energy and green material. Rupees 60,000 crore investment in Dhirubhai Ambani Green Energy Giga Complex in Jamnagar. 5 giga factories for solar, fuel cell, power electronics and battery. Investment in green hydrogen and wind power. The second segment is oil and gas exploration. KG-D6 block production 30 MMSCMD, which is approximately 30% of India's total gas output. Shahadol Phulpur pipeline 302 km for CBM gas supply. JV with BP to operate Jio BP mobility station. The third segment is the retail segment. Company operates in consumer electronics, fashion and lifestyle, luxury, pharmacy, grocery and connectivity. Key brands are Ajio, Hamleys, Urban Ladder, Netmeds and JioMart. Approximately 70% of new 5G devices in India are on Jio's network. The fourth segment is media and entertainment. Viacom 18 and Disney merger rupees 70,352 crore valuation. Jio Cinema and Hotstar combined 50 million plus subscribers. Company owns 100 plus TV channels producing 30,000 plus hours of content annually. Moving forward, now let's take a look on investment and acquisition. The first is Faradion Limited Sodium Ion Battery Tech rupees 1000 crore. The second is Lithium Rack LFP Batteries rupees 500 crore. Third is REC Solar Holdings AS rupees 6500 crore. The fourth is Sensop Solar Software rupees 250 crore. The fifth is Sterling and Wilson Solar 40% stake. Sixth is Nextwave rupees 250 crore. Seventh is Kalux rupees 100 crore. The eighth is partnership with Stysdale AS for green hydrogen. Now if we look on investment and valuation side, company has a strong foothold in multiple high growth industries. Jio and Reliance retail among India's largest businesses. Significant capex in renewable energy and hydrogen economy. Consistent revenue and low debt to equity ratio. Company has partnership with Disney, Meta, Google, BP, Microsoft and others. From the above analysis report, would you invest in the company? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purpose only. It should not be considered as a financial advice. The content of this video does not constitute professional financial advice. Investment in equity market is always subject to market risk. Any investment decision you make should be based on your own due diligence and research. Investing in financial market carries inherent risk and past performance is not indicative of future results. By watching this video, you agree to release us from any and all liability related to any decision or actions you take based on the information presented in this video.